Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Hey guys, let's say sorry to him when we get back to the garage.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
Yes, soldier! Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hunt for all your government surplus needs!
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have two.
Okay, everybody, we go on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
They're so mean. It took me forever to collect everything. Huh?
We should let him rest for a while. He'll be just fine.
That's great.
Huh? Doc, the flag means go.
Is he really as good as they say he is? No. Better.
Ka-chika! Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about! Hey, how come the only...
I'm not the only one seeing this, right? Incoming! Whoa, no.
Put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
And what's gonna happen to all of us if Flo leaves town and closes her station?
Now gas is gonna go!
What? So don't...
When I changed the direction of my life, when I started Ms. Fritter's Racing School.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
Red, can you move over? I want to get a look at that sexy hot rod.
Around Willie's Butte and come back. There will be no bumping, no cheating, no spitting, no...
Fabulous. I've never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
No, but
Very nice.
Oh my. I told Percy I would play with him, and I don't want to disappoint. Take my way. That's the highway. That's the way.
Work through this stuff so when your big chance comes along, you can take it.
Hey, Cruz.
Oh, hey, Mr. Sterling.
No, I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now. This ain't...
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
The engine. Meta?
Yeah, Finn?
We're not here to go shopping.
Shop? What do you mean?
If you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
Have to fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up